Okay, as you can see in the back, it does not show you which is plus and minus. So I don't know what the polarity for the speaker is. So I'm gonna mark the right side red. On the other end, it's marked red, and this one with the red, the stripe black, I'll say maybe that's ground. So for you to figure which is the polarity, you just take a regular battery, and I'm gonna put one end over here, the other end over here, and if the speaker floats up, you got it correct. Once you know it's positive and negative. If it go down, then you got it backward. Here I go. Okay, I got it right. The red is the positive and the black is the negative. Let me get a closer look so you can see it. And here we go. See right there, speaker going down, speaker going up. So I got it correct. To figure out the polarity for the wires going to the speaker, I'm going to use the digital ohmmeter. And what I'm going to test for is voltage. And if I touch positive, which is the red, to positive, and negative to the negative, which is the black, I should get a positive reading. And that means that the red wire will be positive and the black wire will be negative. If I have the other way around, it'll show a negative number on the ohmmeter. I'm going to set this so I can read a 0.00 voltage, so it's just a very low voltage. Okay, with the car running, you should get some reading off the wires. So there you go. You see it's running about 0.022 voltage. If I do it the other way around, you see it's negative. So that's how I know if which wire is positive and negative. If you don't have a meter or you don't know how to use it, you can always backtrack the wire all to your stereo, and you'll know exactly which one is positive and negative. Okay, with all your polarity and check, you're ready to install your speakers. You can also check my other two videos on disassemble and reassembling for the speaker replacement. And thanks again for watching.